Eat. Eating.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs.
Do you eat fruits every day?
Yes, I do.
Where do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at work.
When do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7 p.m.
Did you eat pizza yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Who do you eat with?
I eat with my family.
Do you eat spicy food?
Sometimes I do.
How often do you eat out?
I eat out twice a month.
Are you eating now?
No. I'm waiting for my brother to join me.
What do you eat on weekends?
I eat pancakes on weekends. Drink. Drinking.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink coffee.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea twice a day.
How much water do you drink daily?
I drink 8 glasses.
Where do you drink coffee?
I drink it at home.
Did you drink milk yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Who do you drink tea with?
I drink tea with my friend.
Do you drink soda?
Occasionally, I do.
How often do you drink juice?
I drink juice twice a week.
Are you drinking something now?
Yes, I'm drinking water.
What do you drink before bed?
I drink herbal tea. Play. Playing.
What games do you play?
I play chess and checkers.
Do you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar.
How often do you play soccer?
I play soccer twice a week.
Where do you play tennis?
I play tennis at the local club.
Did you play video games yesterday?
No, I didn't play any games.
Who do you play basketball with?
I play basketball with my friends.
Can you play the piano?
No, I can't play the piano.
What sport do you like to play?
I like to play badminton.
Are you playing any games now?
Yes, I'm playing an online game.
When did you start playing cricket?
I started playing cricket last year. Go. Going.
Where do you go every day?
I go to office.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I do.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you go to the park often?
Yes, I go every weekend.
Where did you go yesterday?
I went to the mall.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, sometimes.
Will you go to the party tonight?
No, I won't go.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Do you go shopping often?
No, I don't.
Where do you go on weekends?
I go to my grandparents' house. Sleep. Sleeping.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I do.
Where do you sleep?
I sleep in my bedroom.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep for 8 hours.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did.
Do you sleep with the lights on?
No, I don't.
Can you sleep anywhere?
No, I need a quiet place.
Are you sleeping now?
No, I'm awake.
Do you sleep during the daytime?
Sometimes I take a nap.
What helps you sleep better?
A warm drink helps me sleep. Run. Running.
How often do you run?
I run every morning.
Where do you run?
I run in the park.
Do you run marathons?
Yes, I run marathons annually.
Why do you run?
I run to stay fit.
When did you start running?
I started running 2 years ago.
Do you run with a group?
No, I prefer to run alone.
Have you ever run a race?
Yes, I have run several races.
How far can you run?
I can run up to 10 kilometers.
Do you run every day?
No, I run 5 times a week.
What shoes do you wear to run?
I wear sneakers. Come. Coming.
Will you come to the meeting?
Yes, I will come.
When did you come home yesterday?
I came home at 8 p.m.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I do.
Can you come to my party?
Yes, sure.
Who will come with you?
My friend will come with me.
Why did you come late?
I missed the bus.
Are they coming today?
Yes, they are.
Did your brother come yesterday?
No, he didn't come.
When will she come back?
She will come back tomorrow.
How often do you come here?
I come here every week. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.